Activity-based learning for the retail training. Activity-based learning emphasizes hands-on experiences and real-world scenarios to impart knowledge and skills. For the retail sector, this means moving away from mere theoretical knowledge and diving into the practicalities of customer service, inventory management, visual merchandising, and more. Real-world simulation. Trainees might set up mock store environments, role-play as customers and sales associates, or manage simulated inventory challenges, giving them a taste of the real challenges they might face. Collaboration. ABL often involves team tasks, which mirrors the collaborative nature of retail, where cross-functional teamwork between sales, inventory, logistics, and marketing departments is crucial. Problem-solving and critical thinking. By presenting trainees with authentic retail challenges, such as unsatisfied customers, stockouts, or visual display decisions, they learn to think on their feet and devise innovative solutions. Enhanced engagement. ABL is inherently interactive. Engaged learners are more likely to retain information, ask questions, and actively participate, ensuring they're well-equipped for the shop floor or managerial roles. Enhanced problem-solving abilities. By exposing employees to various scenarios through activities, they become adept at thinking on their feet and devising solutions to unforeseen challenges. Activity-based learning offers a holistic and practical approach to retail training. By focusing on hands-on tasks and real-world simulations, retail employees are better prepared to face the challenges of their job and provide superior service to customers.